So good morning friends, I am Joel. So today I am going to teach you how to customize the Microsoft team. So 365 team, that this is the application for desktop. So I log in with my login ID. So this is my login ID. So these are the classes I created already for my subject. Suppose if I delete this one and I can create a new one. I can remove this one, delete the team. Okay. So it is deleted. So I can join this or create a team. Here in the left hand side, right hand side, there is a button called create team. So I am creating. I'm clicking that button. It comes like this: create a team, join a team with code. So students, they can join with the code also, and the mock entry, it is that one, another one. So here I can create a team. If I click the create team, there are nearly 4 options: class, professional learning community, staff. Suppose if you are going to create a staff, it will give some options. Suppose I am saying college campus, like that, and describing mainly for college staff. Okay, so in the privacy there is only 2 options. One is only team owners can add members. Another one, anyone in your organization can join. So this is the main 2 options are there. So suppose your college have your team, means with your domain, means you can add this staff into your team. Okay, so this is the option. Okay, suppose I can say anyone in your organization can join. So you can say next, it will go. The team will be created. So for your campus, particular campus, you can create a team and you can start adding the team members. If you type something, suppose I am typing my name, it will come. It is not my name actually, it is Joel. So I already there, so it is not coming. If I add some other name, it will come like that. Okay, so this is the thing. So I am skipping this one. Okay, so now it is created and you can see the menus: post, files, staff notebook. Okay, you can go to meet, you can create the meeting, okay, for your staff, particular staff. Okay, it is loading for meeting schedule. I am closing that one. Okay, so once again I am going to the team. Similarly, you can create for your subject also. So I created 2 subjects. First, this is OS. Okay, I am clicking the OS. So you can see the difference between a college campus and the subject. In the subject, there are so many menus: post, files, class notes, assignment, and more. Okay. Similarly, here also upload class material, find help, training, etc. Similarly, there is a plus menu also. You can add so many tab also inside your classroom. This is like a Google Classroom. It is Microsoft Classroom. That's all. You can add these menus also, or it is an app, supporting app. Okay, you can add this menu in your menus. Okay, similarly here also you can create the meet. Okay, you can schedule a meet. Suppose I am clicking that one, it comes like this. Okay, so you can add rooms, create, etc. Okay. Similarly, this is for team. So for creating a team, you have to create just what is you are going to create. That's all. Okay. There is another menu here, left hand side. It is chat. We can chat with your co-staff or with your students also. Okay. We can chat, and this is the assignment. There is a common assignment also here. We can use the assignment. You can create the assignment. You can say to whom you are going to assign that particular thing. For example, here it will come operating system. I am clicking the operating system. So next, it will say it is create. So create means you can create quiz as well as assignment. So quiz, already I have a video regarding this quiz, and it will go to this one. Okay, you can create your quiz. It is a quiz form, Microsoft form. You can add a new quiz. Okay, it is loading outside your browser. Okay. Similarly, you have calendar. In that menu, you have calendar. So this is the calendar. Here also you can schedule the meeting. For example, if you are clicking this one, you can schedule the meeting. If you double click, it will come like a menu. Okay. You can here also you can add the name to whom you are going to conduct the class. Okay. You can add the mail IDs here also. Okay. So the meeting is online class. Add attendance, that is add, you can type, it will come to whom you are going to assign the particular meeting. Okay, to who you are going to conduct. Okay, so this is the thing. Similarly, you can say what is the date, time. If you say 3:30 to 1 hour, or 4:30, that is 1 hour, or 6 o'clock, so it is 2.3 hours. So similarly, you can add the location, description. It is add channel. So you can add channel means you are adding their classroom, that is OS. Suppose you are going to take the OS, it just goes like that. Okay, so add channel. So then you got to save. Similarly, that is schedule assistant. There is also another option. It is schedule assistant. It will come like this. That's all. The same thing. It will come like this. Here also you can add record attendees, everything. Okay. So this is how you have to create a meeting. Via the calendar also you can create the meeting. Okay. Then files, you can add files. So this is a file I added already. So it is displaying. And there are so many apps also available. You can add it in your class. Okay. So there are so many apps, popular apps you can add. It will give another help how to do it better. Okay. So their form is there. You know, planner is there. Okay. You can plan your schedules. Okay. So once again going to the team and clicking that on team. So operating system. Here also there is assignment. Here also there is an more options. So there is a grade, and the plus symbol, you can add so many tab here. Okay. So I can say I can add the planner also here. So similarly, you can add so many menus in your planner also. Okay. To know. Okay, that's all. So it comes like this. Okay. If you didn't want, you can delete the thing also. You can remove. Okay. So you can remove the planner. The planner is one of an app, okay, related to that. You can remove it. Similarly, there is a class note. Okay. There's a class note. You can add some notes directly. It is there are so many options. You can edit. Students can edit. Another option is there. You can edit. Students can't able to edit. They can view only. Like that, there are so many options. Here you can see that options. Okay. Then you can upload files. Okay. You can upload files, copy link, download, add cloud storage. Okay. From cloud also you can add, and some posts also available. So these are the basic thing available, and the main thing is how to schedule a meeting. Okay. You can schedule meeting with this. Okay. This is a menu already come in the calendar also. Okay. So the same thing. So you can schedule like our Google Meet. Microsoft also give the same content how to schedule a meeting. Okay, I hope you can understand something about the desktop app for Microsoft 365. And thank you for your patience. Okay, thank you very much.